Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to TP-Link Deco subscriptions for parental controls step by step clearly. To start your TP-Link Deco subscriptions for parental controls, first, ensure that the TP-Link Deco app is installed on your smartphone. Open the TP-Link Deco app and log in to your TP-Link account. If you don't have an account, create one by following the prompts in the app. Once logged in, select the Deco device you want to manage. Navigate to the Parental Controls section within the app. Here, you will see options for various parental control features. You'll be directed to a subscription plan overview. Review the subscription options available, which may include different features and pricing. Select the plan that best suits your family's needs. After selecting a plan, proceed to the payment section. Enter your payment information as prompted. Review the details to ensure everything is correct. Once confirmed, complete the transaction to activate the subscription. You should receive a confirmation notification once the payment is successful. Return to the Parental Controls section to start customizing your settings. Set up profiles for each family member and specify their internet access preferences. You can now enjoy enhanced parental control features on your Deco network. Regularly check the app for updates and to adjust settings as needed. Ensure to monitor the performance of the parental controls to keep your family safe online. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.